Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to test this thermostat if this is working or not. Okay, to do that, okay, this is in off position, on, off, on, going to this number here. Okay, and to check that one, guys, going to plug in this clock meter to this two terminal here, and since it's in off position, there is no reading here. Okay, but once I'm going to on that one, there the reading is. Okay, so it reads 65 ohms. Now 73 ohms, and almost full 79, and the full is 92 ohms. Take a look, guys. If I turn it off, the reading is back to 0. Okay, 0. If I turn it to number 2, it is a reading of 2.7K. Now, this tip of the sensor of the thermostat is, I'm going to put it there on the IC and take a look. The reading must be off. Okay. Did you hear the click sounds? It means it cut off. So this thermostat is working. So this is how you test the thermostat. See, as soon as I remove from the ice, it engages again. Okay, and once I'm going to plug in here again and look what happened. The reading, you will hear click sounds. Okay, the moment I'm going to remove that from the ice, it will engage again. Did you see that, guys? So this thermostat is working. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, guys, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.